Apple Watch: benefits of buying the leading brand. With the Apple Watch now available in its 6th series, is the brand still unbeaten in technology and convenience of use? Why buy an Apple Watch? They're not cheap. Beyond tracking your workouts, and in common with other competing smartwatches, it will help you stay healthy and meet your fitness goals. But the latest Apple Watch version innovates and truly does track all the ways that you're active. From running to cycling to high-intensity interval training, Apple Watch tracks all your favourite ways to work out with the metrics you most want to see. Even if you don't work out, if you wear your watch to bed, it can track your sleep, and the Apple 6 watch also has heart monitoring. It can detect unusually high or low heart rates and irregular rhythms and alert you to take action.